You ever find yourself just an hour away from London at the Henley Royal Regatta? It's this fancy, very posh rowing event that's been going on for almost 200 years, and you're there waiting for your favorite rowing club to start and wonder, man, I really need a regatta timer to keep track of all this action. A regatta timer lets you track the start of your rowing, sailing, or yachting race. Well, I definitely never had this thought or even been in a situation that comes close to having this thought, but that doesn't stop me from enjoying a little ice cream in this colorful, summer-ready regatta timing watch, the Tissot Sideral. The Sideral isn't a new design. In fact, it's the modern reincarnation of the 1971 Sideral S, which is a more colorful variation of the original 1969 Sideral No S. The original Siderals were made of fiberglass, but this new release is made primarily of carbon and stainless steel, but at first glance it looks all carbon. The steel is mainly found on the case back and around that rotating bezel. The new Siderals measure in at 41 millimeters in diameter, 46.5 millimeters lug to lug, and 14.5 millimeters thick. They're also 300 meters water resistant and come in 3 color options. I have the version that comes with a comfy, integrated looking red rubber strap with red accents on the dial, but there's also a yellow and blue version. My favorite is probably the yellow since it feels more summery, but red isn't so bad. The fun colors and sturdy case amounts to a very well-rounded watch that's easy to wear during those summer months because it's super comfortable and fits into nearly any summer activity that I can think of. You can proudly wear these loud colors at the beach or pool and not have to worry about it getting wet. Or if you just like colors, you can rock these year-round, no problem. Not only is it a summertime looker, but it's powered by Tissot's Powermatic 80, which offers a healthy 80 hours of power reserve. You can't go to the pool every day, so after 2 or 3 days off, you can easily pop it back on and it's still running. The movement includes a date display, which is handy since I can never remember the date. In case you're wondering, and I know everyone does nowadays, the Powermatic 80 is based off of an ETA movement. Both Tissot and ETA are under the Swatch Group's umbrella, so the movement is technically in group or whatever folks want to call it nowadays. Nonetheless, the movement is in a lot of watches and works great, and that's all that should matter, especially at this price point. Speaking of price, the Tissot Sideral will set you back $995, which I don't think is too bad considering its history, unique design, sturdy case, and reliable Swiss movement. It's in a very niche category and there aren't really many things to compare this to, but if you like colors or if you happen to need a regatta timer, or remember, you can time anything with these things, your parking meter, or even your lunch breaks, then this is probably a watch you should keep on your radar.